Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys hotspot device name setting guys. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you change your hotspot device name in your Tecno phone. So guys in this video guys we will talk about guys hotspot device name settings. So guys, first of all guys I will on my phone setting to change my hotspot device name. So guys you can see this type of settings. So guys you will have to click on guys your hotspot settings. So guys I will click here. Then guys you can see your Wi-Fi hotspot setting. So guys tap here. Then guys you can see guys your hotspot settings. So I will tap here. Then as you can see my hotspot device name is Tecno phone. As I want to change into my name, so I will change into my name. So I will change into my name, example for guys, but guys you can change yourself whatever you want. So I will tap here okay. Then guys you can see guys, first of all guys click on this save change. Then guys it will change. Then guys you can see your hotspot device name has changed into name. So like that guys you can change your hotspot device name with your name and guys whatever you want. So I hope friends you understood. So that's it guys, thanks for watching. So guys now we will meet on next video. Before going guys please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.